Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elegant World. Do you want to crack the YouTube algorithm and get more views? If so, right. Today I am going to break down the best YouTube search engine optimization tips to boost your video discoverability and skyrocket your channel's growth. So my friends, stay till the end of this video for a bonus tips that most creators miss out. Before directly diving to the major aspect, let me ask you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment below this video just after completing my video. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, let me ask you, fully watch my video. Let's jump right in. In this tutorial, I'll show you envisage YouTube search engine optimization secrets to boost your video discoverability and get more views fast, mainly concentrating on the following 7 aspects. The first one is we will concentrate on how to find high ranking keywords. We'll also dive in the importance of writing click-worthy titles, the relevance of writing optimized descriptions. We'll also have a discussion on mastering tags and hashtags. We'll also discuss on the engagement signals and YouTube rankings, on the relevance of thumbnail strategy for more click-through rates, and we will also have a discussion on the analytics and adjustments to grow fast for your channel. Congratulations my friends if you are using YouTube as your major source of income, because YouTube is the second largest search engine just after Google. If your videos are not optimized, however, they won't be discovered. Here is why search engine optimization is crucial. The first one is more discoverability, the second one is high ranking, and the third one is increased watch time. On the essence of more discoverability for your search engine optimization, the right keywords help your videos appear in search results more. And high rankings also matter for your videos discoverability, because optimized videos are recommended more by YouTube. Beyond that, if your video is easy to find, more people can easily watch it, signaling that YouTube to push it further to more users on search engines. Now let's dive into key research. The first one is how to find high-ranking keywords. Before just discussing on high-ranking keywords, you are expected to use the following 4 major tools. You have to use these tools for high-ranking keywords. The first one is TubeBuddy, the second one is Google Trends, the third one is Video IQ, and also YouTube SEO. These tools, you have to use these 4 major tools. This is because the right keywords get your video to be seen by much more users than ever before. Here is how to find them. We do have 3 major options. The first one is you are expected to use YouTube search autocomplete option rather than just completing by yourself. That means you are expected to type a topic and see what pops up next and use the first option. You have to use the first option and check competitors' video, the second option. That means see what keywords top ranking videos use as a keyword, and also use free tools. You have to use free tools like that of those tools like that of TubeBuddy, Video IQ, Google Trends, and other tools I just told you before. This will help you find high volume but low competition keywords. Let's say, for example, if you are making a video on the following title, that means if you are making a video on YouTube grows on this title, you have to compare keywords like that of how to grow on YouTube fast. This title do have high search volume and high competition. The other option is YouTube search engine optimization for beginners, YouTube SEO for beginners. This title do have moderate search but lower competition. You have to choose between these two options. So my friends, remember that you have to use long tail keywords instead of using YouTube grows. In our case, you have to try how to grow on YouTube in 2025 for beginners. You can better use this title, this keyword. The second option is writing click-worthy titles. Your titles should be clickable, searchable, and much more engaging to those people searching on YouTube channel. To do so, you have to follow these formulas. The first one is curiosity driven. This YouTube trick changed my channel. For example, you can use this title, this YouTube trick, this YouTube tip automatically changed my channel. You can use this curiosity driven title. You can also use number based titles. Let's say, for example, top 10 YouTube SEO tips, or top 5 YouTube SEO hacks for more views. You can use such a type of titles which are number based. You all are also expected to use urgency based titles for your channel. Say, for example, must do this before uploading your video. Or you can also use don't upload your video just before watching this video. You can use urgency based. Do this, don't do this. You can use such a type of urgency. Beyond that, you all are expected to have and use power words like that of fast, secret, ultimate, and also hack, proven, beginners friendly, expert tips, and many more options. The third option is description. You have to write optimized description for your channel, for your videos. Your description should include primary keywords naturally and add a brief video summary on your description. That means first 2 sentences matter most. No one will just read your description to the end, but you have to use the first 2 sentences very much seriously, and also include timestamps, links, and call to action. For example, you can use the following description for this tutorial, just for this tutorial on this title. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? In this video, I'll show you how to rank high using proven YouTube search engine optimization strategies. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tips. You can use this description. The fourth option is tags and hashtags. You have to use and master tags and hashtags, because tags and hashtags still matter, because tags help categorize your video. You have to use broad and specific tags. Let's say, for example, YouTube grows. This one is one tag. The second tag, just as an example, is YouTube SEO tips. Or you can also use how to get more views on YouTube. You have to use such a type of broad and very much specific, to the point tags. Beyond that, my friends, hashtags also help your videos discoverability. You have to add very much specific tags and hashtags. Let's say, for example, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag SEO tips, or hashtag content creator on your title and description. The other thing is engagement signals and YouTube rankings. YouTube ranks video based on the engagement that people are on the engagement. That is, you have to take into consideration your watch time, your click-through rate, your comments, your likes, and the shares. Because the longer people watch, the better ranks your video will have. And strong thumbnails and titles will also help your channel to grow more. Because strong titles and thumbnails will help you do have greater click-through rates for your channel. You also have to incorporate likes, comments, and shares just to encourage interactions very well. Yes, my friends, you have to ask a question in your video to boost comments. Let's say, for example, what's your biggest YouTube challenge? Comment below. You can ask such a type of engagement driving options. The other thing is thumbnail strategy for more clicks. Thumbnails strongly matter on YouTube growth strategy. So you have to use bright colors, bold texts, and emotions. You have to incorporate such an options on your thumbnails. Also, make sure the subject, that is your face or the object that you wanted to incorporate on your thumbnail, is very much clear. The other thing is A or B test. Experiment test for your thumbnails using YouTube experiment features. You have to make an experiment. Which option best fits for your thumbnail that attracts much more click-through rate? You have to take this into consideration. So you are expected to add subtle glow or outline to make the subject pop. The last option that you are expected to take into consideration for your search engine optimization, for your SEO, and for your video discoverability, analytics and adjustment. Check your analytics. In your video analytics, you have to check audience retention, traffic sources, and click-through rate. Just as an audience retention, you have to analyze where do viewers drop off, and also check the traffic source. Are people finding your via search engines? And also click-through rate. Just try to analyze whether people are clicking on your thumbnails or not. That means you have to tweak, test, and improve your content accordingly. That's it for today, my friends. I strongly believe that this guide will help you boost your number of subscriptions and also make your videos to be much more discoverable on YouTube search engines. You are strongly advised to apply these tips and watch your video ranking skyrocket. Please don't forget to like if you find this tutorial very helpful, and also subscribe to my channel for more expert YouTube growth hacks, and just drop a comment below this video. And also let me ask you, what's your biggest search engine optimization challenge? Thank you, my friends. See you in the next video. Have a nice time.